I'm Jim Hardy with Custom Air Trays, and I'm going to show you the assembly of our new crossover cremation box. When you unbox it, you'll see the pillow and a bag of interior parts. Put those aside for a second. Now the beautiful thing about the crossover cremation tray is there's only one moving part, and that's the top. And you'll notice that we've printed the top charcoal gray on the outside and the inside. We do that for a purpose. But what you're going to be required to do is to actually put the top together. Now if you noticed, we've left a ring around the ends of the box with no print on it. We did that for a reason. That is actually the interior of the top, and it goes right against this end here. So what the customer will do, take it, flip it over so the brown part is down the inside of the box. Go to the other side. Fold flaps in, drop that down, there's your box. Now to set it up as a half couch, very simple. You take this side, which is the wider side. You can see an indentation here, the thin side and the thicker side. You just want to take this, fold everything backwards. Tuck it in, drop it down the inside, and now you're set up as the half couch. That is the assembly of the crossover cremation tray.